In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Monday.com. Let's get started by opening your Monday.com account. Reports in Monday are typically built on top of boards, so we'll begin from your workspace. On the left sidebar, choose Workspaces, then navigate to the area where you want your report to live. Workspaces help keep related boards organized, which makes it easier for your team to find and use the report later. Now, hover over the board section where you want to create your report. You'll see options appear. Instead of building everything from scratch, we're going to speed things up by starting from a template. Click Start with Template to open the Template Center. Templates are a great way to get a professionally structured board with the right columns and groups already in place. Inside the Template Center, switch to All Templates so you can browse the full library. From there, go to the General Templates category. This category includes flexible, ready-to-use options that work well across teams and use cases, including reporting. Use the search bar and type Report. This filters the results to show reporting-focused templates. You'll see several variations designed for different needs, such as tracking metrics, summarizing progress, or organizing weekly updates. Click the option that looks closest to your goals to open its details. Take a quick moment to review the preview so you can see the columns, example groups, and any automations that come with it. Choosing a template that matches your workflow will save time later. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday will add the new board into the workspace you're currently in. If prompted, confirm the location and name so your teammates can recognize it right away. The board will populate with pre-built columns, sample groups, and labels that you can tailor to your process. Finally, make your edits. Rename groups to match your reporting periods like weekly or monthly. Adjust columns to capture what matters most, such as status, owners, dates, or numbers. Edit labels to use your team's language and remove anything you don't need to keep the board clean. If you plan to filter by status or date, set consistent values so views and summaries stay accurate. You can also create saved views to focus your report on specific criteria and keep the board readable for different audiences. As you refine the board, Monday auto-saves your changes so you won't lose your work. That's it. By starting with a template, narrowing to general reporting options, and customizing the board to your needs, you'll have a clear, reusable report in Monday that your team can rely on.